Hi mga beshi! Sorry for the late upload. So last March, we traveled around Seoul, South Korea, and one of the highlights of this trip is to visit Gyeongbok Palace wearing hanbok, which many of the shops around the palace have rental of different hanbok costumes. So Zai and I purchased around 400 pesos lang naman for us to rent hanbok, which dito sa yellow building na ito iklimang costume, and you have to show lang the QR code you purchased from Klook. So much cheaper siya. Sorry guys, di pa ako big time influencer or vlogger kaya wala akong promo code EME. So I choose color blue and super excited to wear this hanbok since nanonood din naman ako ng mga period K-dramas. Kaya nag-rent na din kami ng traditional hat para magandang effect. Ganda yarn. Kaya ayan, lakad-lakad na with Jai. Picture. And good thing maganda ang weather pero malamig ang hangin katatapos lang kasi ng cherry blossom. Super happy na I was able to wear Korean costumes. Till our next trip mga beshi!